You just look at here, right? So first electromagnetic induction is chapter, na? Electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction. Right? In this we talk about mag- magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. What is it? What he shown in your book, what is written, there is a, you know, there is a conductor, like this is a resistor, right? And there is ammeter, and there is battery, and there is a key, right? And there is voltmeter. This is voltmeter, this is ammeter. Now there is a magnet, north south pole. This is magnet. So what they are saying, कि when switch is on, switch on, so magnet deflect towards circuit, right? It shows magnetic field arises on flowing current, right? And when you switch off, switch off current stop flowing in circuit. Magnet and lost magnetic property. And magnet goes to original position. सो डिफ्लेक्शन मीन्स जब आपने करंट फ्लो कराया तो करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, पॉजिटिव टू निगेटिव, राइट, करंट इज फ्लोइंग, सो ये डिफ्लेक्ट होके थोड़ा सा इधर की तरफ आ गया, राइट, ये इसका डिफ्लेक्शन हुआ, नॉर्थ पोल इधर, साउथ पोल इधर, अब वो किसी का भी पॉइंट हो सकता है, राइट, सो ये डिफ्लेक्शन हुआ है ना, इट डिफ्लेक्ट्स, ये इसकी पोजीशन ऐसे हो गई, ये नॉर्मल पोजीशन इसकी ऐसे थी, तो ये अपनी पोजीशन में डिफ्लेक्शन हुआ, कब हुआ, ऑन पासिंग करंट, राइट, ऑन पासिंग करंट डिफ्लेक्शन इन पोजीशन, on passing current, on passing current through a circuit, deflection shown by magnet, right, so this diagram is in your book, right, okay, should I run this? What I said, magnetic effect of electric current, right, so there is a conductor, this is the conductor, this is conductor, and here is circuit, this is the wire is attached with this is battery, there is switch, and this is coming like this, current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal, like this, like this, like this, right, so when current flows in the circuit, when current flows in a circuit, when current flows through a conductor, when current flows through, current means electric current, electric current flows through a conductor, magnetic field arises around it, the magnetic field arises around it, means like this, right? So this is magnetic field. Due to current passing through conductor. Right? Now what happens? Now what will be the direction? Current is flowing in which direction? In upward direction. So direction of magnetic field lines, direction of magnetic field lines, direction of magnetic field lines obtained by Fleming's right hand thumb rule. Right? Up, what is the thing? This is your right hand, my right hand. Now what happens? If thumb is on upward side, then these lines are, these fingers are which side?
Inward.
This is, this is anti-clockwise. Clockwise क्या होता है? 3, 6, 9, 12 ऐसे चलेंगे ना, लेकिन ये क्या चल रहा है? 9, 6, 3, 12 उल्टा, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. तो when thumb is upward, then fingers are in anti-clockwise. When thumb is upwards, fingers in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise represents to North Pole. क्या? ये जो anti-clockwise है, anti-clockwise represents to North Pole. So this will act as a, it will act as a North Pole, right? It will act as a North Pole. It will act as a North Pole. So if you bring a magnet like here, so if it is north, so agar it's south, it is north, so it gets attracted. Or if you bring a magnet which is having north and south, then it is get repulsion. Repel करेगा. यहाँ पे repel करेगा, repel, और यहाँ पे attract. You get that? Repel and attract. This kind of thing is there. Near North Pole, and this is what we have. So my point is that this is right hand thumb rule. Now, if thumb is in downward direction, thumb in downward direction, when thumb is in downward direction, it is like this, then what happens? Your fingers are
Clockwise.
in this moving, like, so they are moving clockwise. So fingers in clockwise direction, and clockwise direction represents to south pole, right? So what do you understand? When direction of, matlab if they are, if it is matlab current is flowing in upward direction, then rays are moving in anti-clockwise direction, right? They are moving in anti-clockwise direction, right? And it acts as a नॉर्थ पोल, राइट? और अगर ये जो है, अब अगर डायरेक्शन इसका हम उल्टा कर दें, मतलब, राइट, going to be very, should I now?
सर जब एंटी क्लॉकवाइज होगा तब वो साउथ को अट्रैक्ट करेगा और नॉर्थ को रिपेल करेगा.
एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, या, बिकॉज नॉर्थ पोल है ना, तो नॉर्थ पोल में सेम मतलब अपोजिट पोल्स में अट्रैक्शन होता है, सेम पोल में रिपल्शन होता है. तो जब ये साउथ पोल होगा तो साउथ पोल को अट्रैक्ट करेगा और नॉर्थ पोल को रिपेल करेगा, क्योंकि ये तो नॉर्थ पोल की तरह बिहेव कर रहा है ना. ठीक है ना? अब अगर आपने इसमें इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज कर दिया, मतलब क्या किया कि अगर इस लाइन को हटा के इस वाले को इससे जोड़ दिया और इस वाले को इससे जोड़ दिया, तो अब करंट ऐसे चलेगा, उल्टे डायरेक्शन में. ठीक है, अब करंट ऐसे जा रहा है, अब करंट ऐसे जा रहा है तो क्या होगा? ये राइट ऐसे चल रहा है. तो अब करंट पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव ऐसे आए, तो अब करंट उल्टा चल रहा है. अब इट इज करंट इज इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, तो ये क्या करेंगी? अब ये इधर की तरफ मूव करेंगी, तो ये सब यस यस, ये क्या हुआ? अब ये क्लॉकवाइज में आ गई. जब ये क्लॉकवाइज आ गई, क्लॉकवाइज, देन इट इज साउथ पोल. और जब साउथ पोल होगा तो ये इसको रिपेल करेगा, तो ये रिपेल करेगा इसको, और ये इसको अट्रैक्ट करेगा. You get this? This is the basic phenomena. If your direction change, pole is changed, and when pole is changed, then behavior is changed. Right? This is we have. Now, So Fleming's right hand thumb rule. So if thumb is in upward direction, right? So fingers are right. So ये thumb and these are fingers. It is upward. These are anti-clock. Anti-clock. North pole. Right? So it can be written like this. ये क्या है? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूव कर रहे हैं, है ना? और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूव कर रहे हैं तो इट इज नॉर्थ पोल. एंटी क्लॉक नॉर्थ पोल. And फिर if you bring this thumb down, thumb is in down direction, then fingers will be on this side, right? Fingers will be on this side. So this is, we have, so thumb is in downward direction, then fingers clockwise. So they represent to south pole. Right? They represent to south pole. Right? This is, we have Fleming's right hand thumb rule. Thumb is in upward direction, anti-clockwise, north pole. Thumb downwards, clockwise, south pole. Right? This, by this method we find the direction of magnetic field lines in a around a magnet, around magnetic field around a conductor. Around a conductor, magnetic field, the direction of magnetic field, the nature of pole, we find out with the Fleming's right hand thumb rule. Right? This is we have. Now, and sorry, we can write like this. This is what? This is clockwise. That's why it is called south pole. Right? You get this? Okay. Should I rub? now current passing through a loop, get that? Okay. This is, we have the circuit. This is battery, this is emitter, here is battery, right, here is voltmeter, there is key, and this is like this. Current flows from, electric current flow positive terminal to negative terminal, right? यहाँ पे what we have done, we have a loop. Like this. This is a loop, right? So current will be flowing in this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction, this, and coming this here, here, and here. Right? When switch on, स्विच को ऑन किया, करंट फ्लो होना चालू हुआ, तो इस साइड, इस आर्म पे इट इज इन अपर डायरेक्शन, सो इट इज इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. तो ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में चलेंगे. Right? Anti-clockwise is like this, like this, like this, 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 and this. Right? When it reaches to on this side, so it in downward direction, this is it is anti-clockwise, so north pole. And when you are moving here, so it is pole. When it is moving on this side, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Again, yeah. So downward direction. So this is clockwise. This is south pole. This outward side is acting as a north and south pole, right? And direction of current is right. You get this? So inside pole, all these lines, in inside loop all these lines are what? What is this? Inside loop all magnetic field lines are parallel. They are parallel. Inside loop magnetic field lines are parallel. So make effect of each other null and void. So inside loop magnetic field is zero. Do you get it? What I said? Since these magnetic field lines are parallel, so they make null and void effect of each other. So inside inside loop magnetic field is zero. Inside magnetic field is zero. Outside it is north pole, it is south pole. Right? Outside it is north pole, it is south pole. Outside it is, but inside it is no magnetic field. So no magnetic field inside a magnet. It is only on poles. Right? So this is current passing through a loop. Do you understand this? Should I rub? So this is. Then what is in your book? They are talking about a solenoid. Right? Solenoid. Solenoid is formed by wrapping conductor over a non-conductor object. Right? Like this is a plastic pipe. Right? It is hollow. This is a plastic. So this is over this you wrap This is battery, and there is a key, right? Suppose on the back it is like this. Like this. This is, you just see here what happening here. Here current is moving in this direction. So this is what? Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, so it is North Pole. North Pole. Right? And when you come here, if you think on this side, then it is
And clockwise.
it is in clockwise.
South.
Clockwise. So it is South Pole. Right? This is a solenoid. This is how current is flowing. This terminal is behaving like a north because here it is in coil is moving in anti-clockwise direction, and here it is in clockwise direction, so it is in South Pole. Right? This is north, this is south, this is a magnet. Right? Now what you see, this magnetic property is due to the flow of current in the circuit. So when switch is on, current flows in circuit. Right? So this is north, this is south, and act when
Switch is on.
switch is on, current flows in circuit. Act solenoid act as a magnet. Act as a magnet. On stopping flow of current. On when switch, where it is, switch is off. Okay, switch is off, current flows, when switch is off, current stop flowing, current stop flowing, right? And solenoid lost magnetic property. You get it? मतलब जब when current is flowing, it is acting as a मतलब solenoid is acting as a magnet. When it not flowing, not current is flowing, solenoid lost its magnetic property. Right. So this is solenoid. Solenoid is, this is also known as electromagnet. We called it electromagnet. Electromagnet. Right. Or because it's very convenient and commercially it is used. Commercially it is used. Right. Commercially it is used मतलब क्यों, why we are using it commercially? Because मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑन ऑफ करना मतलब आपने करंट ऑफ कर दिया, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज गॉन. इट इज लाइक ए डेड वायर, जस्ट ए बंच ऑफ वायर्स wrapped over a non-conductor, nothing more than that. You can touch that, no issue at all. We can put here DC current also, this battery we can put here AC current also, right? So this happens, and when you put the when current start flowing in it, it starts behaving a magnet, right? And changing magnetic field, strength of magnetic field is very easily we can change स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. मतलब कितनी इंटेंसिटी है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की, उसको हम वी कैन चेंज वेरी इजिली, राइट? वी कैन चेंज strength intense strength of magnetic field very easily. How? By changing number of turns. मतलब if your number of turns increase, magnetic field will increase. If you change the number of turns, मतलब if you decrease, then magnetic field decrease. So by changing number of turns. Next, by changing amount of current flowing in circuit. मतलब if amount of current in the circuit आप increase कर दोगे, this is working. So if amount of current is increase in it, मतलब अगर आपने amount increase कर दिया, magnetic field increase कर जाएगी. अगर amount decrease कर दिया, magnetic field decrease कर जाएगी. तो by changing amount of current, we can change the magnetic field strength. And last one is by putting a soft cast iron bar अगर एक सॉफ्ट आयरन की बार को आप इसके अंदर रख देते हो, इनसाइड एक, सपोज आप यहाँ पे रख देते हो एक कास्ट आयरन की बार को, तो क्या होगा? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल इंक्रीज। हटा दोगे, डिक्रीज कर जाएगा, राइट? तो बाय पुटिंग हियर increase magnetic field strength. You get that? Strength. Next is, what is that? No. If you put steel, a steel bar inside magnet, क्या?
Steel bar inside the magnet.
If we keep steel bar inside solenoid, for long time, and current and small current keep flowing, then the steel bar convert into permanent magnet. By permanent magnet, by retaining magnetic property. Right? So this is we have. Do you understand? So how we can make permanent magnets?
By putting
Steel bar inside the coil for a long for long time, and small current keep flowing. If a small current keep flowing for a longer time and you keep a steel bar inside it, then that steel bar becomes permanent magnet. So how we are making a permanent magnet? In using this solenoid. This is the one of the application, and another we are using it as a electromagnets in commercial purpose. It is using because we can alter the magnetic field properties, magnetic field strength very easily. I hope this much is there. After that you have electric bell.
Yes.
Anything else?
Yes.
Permanent magnet and natural magnet is what we are obtaining from the nature. Like this is ore of iron, which we call what? Magnetite. Ore of magnetite is having magnetic property. Magnetic property get lost, right? Magnetic property of a magnet get lost if it is kept open for a longer time, if it is heated, if it is beaten, if it is so magnetic property is lost, right? In natural magnet, but in this magnet nothing is happening. इसको पीटो पाटो कुछ मतलब you do anything because it is just bunch of coils. If current is flowing, then it is a magnet. If current is not flowing, it is not a magnet. So there is no loss of magnetic property. But natural magnets में it happens. And permanent magnet we can form with the help of steel. Se we can make permanent magnets. Right? This much is sufficient for today. Oh.